Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about how to describe people. And to describe people, we are going to use the verb to be. And also, we are going to describe in two different ways by characteristics, things that are features or things that like remain are always like that. And also, we are going to talk about impressions, is when you're not very sure about that, but maybe the person can, I don't know, the person seems timid or shy or difficult, I don't know, or intelligent, whatever it is. So we are going to use impressions and also characteristics. First, let's have a look at some characteristics to describe. This is vocabulary. To be honest, vocabulary, you can do it for free. You just go on Google Translate and you're going to get the word you want to translate, or to a dictionary, or there are apps also where you can go and type a word and they tell you the meaning. But it's okay. We can introduce here some of those words. But to grow your vocabulary, you need to work on that. Yeah, by looking for new words. You want to incorporate in conversations. So, guapo, handsome, atractivo, attractive, feo, ugly, divertido, fun, tímido, timid or shy, abierto, it's open, cerrado, closed, introvertido, introverted, extrovertido, extroverted, sociable, you know this one, sociable, intelligent, inteligente, negativo o negativa, it's negative, positive, positivo, optimistic, yeah, selfish, egoísta, responsible, responsable, bruto is like, could be like not intelligent, like dumb. um, imprudente, imprudent, yeah. Serio, serious. Calmado, calm or tranquil. Nervioso, nervous, tranquilo. It's the same as calmado, this one here. Soñador, dreamer. Simpático, simpático. It's like a kind person, but also like charming. Paciente, patient. Aburrido, boring, alegre, it's kind of in a very good mood, not necessarily happy, but like, hey, this kind of thing. So yeah, with these characteristics, you can describe a person. Um, if it's physical characteristics like alto, tall, bajo, uh, you know, not tall like, yeah, you can look them up. There are not so many, but anyways, later we're gonna talk about these bodies features. Yeah. So for now, let's start with these ones, and let's have a look again at what we had before here. So when you're talking about characteristics, when and you're sure about that, you can see that the person is tall. That's it. It's not that he seems tall. No? He's tall or she is tall. We're going to use the verb to be, ser. Yeah. And the verb ser, remember, yo soy, tú eres, él, ella es. That's the conjugation of the verb ser in third person. So es is the conjugation we're going to use for third person. Ella es. Now, you can say alto. You can jump right here. Ella es alta or él es alto. Yeah. But if you want to name like he's a tall person, then you're going to put this a person right here in between. Yeah. Él es una persona alta o él es un hombre alto o ella es una mujer alta. Okay. He is a difficult person. How will you say he is a difficult person? I will give you 10 seconds for this one. Difficult is difícil, Persona is a feminine word, so it's una persona. So try to say he is a difficult person. 10 seconds starting from now. Okay, I'm not sure if that was 10 seconds, but I counted it. Now, he is a difficult person. Let's do it. Él es una persona difícil. That's it. Él es una persona difícil. That's how you describe people. Yeah, él es, or simply, él es difícil. If you don't want to say he's a difficult person, if you just want to say he is difficult, you say él es difícil. Now, if it's plural, we are going to do exactly the same thing, but for plural nouns. So ellos, ellas, they. And then son is the conjugation of the verb ser, but for third person plural. So ellos son, they are. And you can say they are tall. So you can go here right away. They are tall. Yeah. Ellos son altos, or you can say they are tall people. So ellos son unos o unas personas altas, o ellas son unas mujeres altas, o ellos son unos hombres altos, ¿ya? Alto is tall, by the way. I didn't mention this before, but yeah, you can put any adjective here, whatever you want to put here is fine. Good. Now, this is one. This is when you have characteristics. They're certain. You can see them with your own eyes. But what happens when you have an impression you're not very sure about that. Maybe you cannot see properly, you don't have your glasses on, or the person is far away, or simply you have an impression of maybe the personality. Maybe this person seems I don't know sociable, but you don't know. Maybe it's introverted. You don't know. So impressions. Uh, for impressions, we're gonna use the verb parece. Okay, parece is pretty much the same. Seems, yeah, or seem when it's many of them, parecen. So it's going to be exactly the same thing. Instead of ser, we're going to use parecer, and that's it. That's it. So let's say he seems tall. Well, tall is, I wouldn't put tall here because it's either. I mean, you can see if a person is tall or not, but you can say sociable, sociable, sociable. Maybe you see a person, the person talks a lot. So you're like, oh, this person seems sociable, right? But maybe it's just I don't know, uh, an impression. Maybe it's not true. Uh, so he seems sociable. Él parece sociable. Sorry, this A didn't look right. Or he seems a sociable person. How would you say he seems a sociable person? Él parece una persona sociable. Yeah? Remember, persona is a feminine word, so a person is una persona. Yeah. Same goes if it's plural. They seem sociable. Ellos parecen sociables. Will be with an S here. Ellos parecen sociables. O ellos parecen unas personas sociables. That's it. It's pretty much the same thing here. The only difference is that instead of the verb ser, we're going to use the verb parecer. Parecer. So parece o parecen if it's plural. And that will be it. So with this, you can pretty much describe people and characteristics and your impressions about them. And yeah, how to practice this? Well, easy. Talk about people and describe them. Talk about your family members. Talk about friends. anything, anybody you want to describe. So yeah, you can do this by describing people. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.